Shruti, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a huge soul store haul. आप देख सकते हो काफी ज़्यादा shopping की है मैंने soul store से. So probably I'll divide it into two parts. So today we'll be talking about crop tops, vest and tops that I picked up from soul store. Let's get started. Up a bunch of tank tops from Soul Store. Let's start with that first. And this is the first tank top I picked up. Just look at that beautiful mocha color. I absolutely love it. और उस पे ये dragonfly का ये print नहीं है. This is actually like a patchwork on it. और उस पे piece लिखा हुआ है. Very minimalistic, very pretty, and I'm definitely gonna pair this up with some white jeans. I think that will look so freaking good. And this is the tank top, as you can clearly see. I love the way it fits on me. Another thing that I really like about this tank top is the material. ये एक ribbed material है, तो ये definitely थोड़ा stretchy भी है. Now I have owned ribbed crop tops from Soul Store in the past और मैं mostly वो medium में लिया था. But after washing it definitely becomes a little bit more tighter और वो थोड़ा shrunk हो जाता है. So that's why इस time मैंने ये large में order किया हुआ है. And I think धोने के बाद भी अगर वो थोड़ा shrunk भी हो गया, it's still gonna fit me perfectly. And I love the length of it as well. It's not extremely cropped. It just hits right where the jeans start. Overall, I love the material. It's extremely soft, comfortable. I'm definitely gonna keep this. Love it. A 10 out of 10. Next, I picked up this black tank top with broken heart motif. ये वाला ना, this is more like a stitching thing and not like a patchwork. So that is different in this. Also, इसका material अगर आप देखोगे, this is more of like a कपड़ा rather than ribbed material. I honestly feel ribbed material crop top in Soul Store just fits so much more better. I am not the biggest fan of this material. मैंने इनके tops भी try किए हुए हैं and I've mostly returned that because उसका मुझे fitting इतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. This one again, it's the same exact thing. It's a tank top, but the way this one fits, I am not a big fan of. अगर आप देखोगे try on part में यहाँ से वो थोड़ा lift up हो रहा है, which that's not how I like it. I love the ribbed material one, so I'll most probably return this. But I wish अगर ये भी उन्होंने ribbed material में किया हुआ होता with this motif, I would have kept it. The only thing is I'm not a big fan of this material. You can try it out. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो obviously you can keep it, but I'm not the biggest fan. It's just the material. I love the ribbed material more than this material. That's all. Next, I picked up this beige off-white tank which has this wine beaded work on it. Wine glass है इसमें and it's looking so freaking cute. I was so excited about this and I'm very happy. I love the way it looks on me. You can clearly see it in the try-on part. Another thing that I love is ये ribbed material है, exactly the kind of material that I like. The only thing is because of the color, maybe it's a little bit see-through. I mean, अगर आप nude bra पहनोगे तो it's not going to be as see-through, but if you're wearing anything other than a nude, if you're wearing red or anything, it is going to be see-through. And I don't know if you can see it, but if it stretches, it's definitely see-through. So yeah, that's the only thing that I would just wanted to point out, but I love it. I think कैमरा पे वो सी थ्रू लग भी नहीं रहा है, but in person it's definitely a little bit see through. Overall, I love the length and it's just the same exact material. It's ribbed material, very comfortable. Love the way it fits, love the way it sits and everything about it. Even this beaded work, it's so pretty, it's so dainty and so me. I love it. I'm definitely gonna keep this. So a big thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Next, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. Definitely one of my favorite purchases. I love it. It's full sleeve and it's this beautiful soft net material और इस पे ये jungle theme हो रखा है. All the color combinations and everything I absolutely love. This is a net work, that means it is see-through. You definitely have to wear something inside and I'm just wearing this black crop like a spaghetti thing that I have. And it's just perfect. You can definitely experiment with it. You can wear something that's a little bit more crisscross because that is gonna see through. And yeah, I love the design on this. And इसका अगर details भी देखोगे sleeve पे, this curl detailing right over here, and even at the bottom, absolutely love. I think I picked this one up in size medium and it fits me perfectly. And it's so comfortable. It's so lightweight and I just love the look of it. And again, I'm gonna pair this up with some nice wide oversized jeans, like this fitted thing, and with that oversized stuff, it's gonna be Perfect. Love it. Again, a 10 out of 10. The quality, the way it feels, the color, everything I love. Next, I picked up another tank top, but this is like full length tank top, ये crop नहीं है, and this is how it looks like. Love the color, love this beautiful pastel lilac lavender color. ऐसा मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे wardrobe में. That's the reason I wanted this. इसमें और भी color options available है. I think red है, black है, and few more color options. But I love this beautiful lavender color. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the fit of this. I expected it to be so much better, but it's not. It fits so weird. I don't know what they have done. And इसका भी मटेरियल अगर आप देखोगे तो ये कपड़ा वाला मटेरियल है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेची कपड़ा वाला मटेरियल. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली दिस इज कॉटन, लाइक अ स्ट्रेचेबल कॉटन मटेरियल. And this is double layered in the front. आप देख सकते हो, this is like double layered, which is good. More protection in the front. But I don't know, something about the fit of it is very odd. It just fits a little bit more tighter near the chest area, and this is in the size medium. Even though it fits so much more tighter on the chest area, the sleeve of it is loose. So I feel like there's so much more extra area or space near the shoulder area. I don't know, something about it is just wrong. I don't know if it doesn't fit my body type specifically. But yeah, that was like a bummer. If this would have fit perfectly, I would have actually picked it up in more colors, because अगर आप पीछे देखोगे, it's not extremely like tank top type. A normal top आप almost classify कर सकते हो, and this is how it looks in the front. Definitely a little bit more deeper than I would like. तो अगर आप ऊपर खींचोगे तो again, as I said, it just fits a little bit weird. That's what I felt. It didn't flatter my body type in the best way. So yeah, I'm probably gonna return this. So I would give it a 5 out of 10. Next, I picked up this beige nude top. This is a little bit cropped, but itna cropped nahi hai, which I like. Actually, it's not extremely cropped. I picked it up in the size medium, and this fits me perfectly. Another thing that I absolutely love is this ribbed material, and the way it just fits and looks. Love it. This is full sleeve, as you can see, काफी tight and proper बैठता है. I absolutely love the length of it. It's perfect. And ये ना यहाँ पर इसका थोड़ा ये extra fabric जैसा है. I don't know why they've kept it. I think they could have easily chopped it off, which I am gonna do. Honestly, because ये curl up होता है and then you can see it. That's just weird. I don't know why they've kept it super long. So that is easily fixable. You can just crop it. Another thing that is very noticeable is this extra kapda near this sleeve area, which is again not needed because rest of the thing does not have this. So I'll probably chop this extra kapda as well, because it just feels very heavy or double layered on just like one section right over here. I don't know if it's visible in the try on part, but in person ये definitely visible होता है. So I'm just gonna chop it off. It's not a big deal. And ये काफी ज़्यादा color options में available है. I think it's in white, black, all the neutral colors, which I really wanted to get, but वो out of stock था. So the only thing I found is this color, which I'm definitely gonna keep. It's definitely a little bit too nude. It's almost feels like I'm not wearing anything. So yeah, I have to figure that out. But I love it. I definitely am gonna keep it. It's very soft, very comfortable, and I'm definitely gonna keep this 10 out of 10. Next, I picked this black vest top. I love vest tops. Already मेरे पास I think green में भी है, and I wear it so much. And it's just so easy to style. You can dress it up, dress it down, and style it in so many ways. I think it's very, very sexy. And iska style and the way the cutout and everything is really good. Also ये material linen है, so very soft and comfortable on the body. You definitely need to iron it every time you want to wear it, but it just looks so good. I love the V neckline in the front, and even in the bottom अगर आप देखोगे, it's not like flat. It has this curve, like the V curve at the bottom as well. And the best thing is पीछे यहाँ पर cinch up detail दिया हुआ है, which is perfect. So it does not fit like boxy. You can like cinch it at the back. It just looks so sexy. I love that small little detailing. It just makes the whole difference. And yeah, this is how it looks. I absolutely love it. Very soft, very comfortable. Definitely gonna keep this 10 out of 10. If you're interested in getting this vest, grab it. It's great. And the last thing I picked up is this beautiful brown front tire detailing top. This is definitely getting quite famous, and I actually have another one of it, like black color mein from another website. But this thing is definitely blowing up, and I'm seeing so many people styling this up, and there are so many pins on my Pinterest as well. So I was really happy when Soul Store decided to redo this. And I think इसको भी आप काफी अलग अलग ways में style कर सकते हो. You can wear a similar color gunji or crop top inside, or you can do contrast color. That will also look really pretty. And I definitely am seeing this with a linen white pant. I think that paired up together is gonna look so freaking good. Again, white inside like a crop top and white pant, and this on top will look so good. I love the way it fits. Again, this material is also linen material, so ज़्यादा stretchable नहीं है, but it's very comfortable, very soft. It's linen material, so perfect for the summer season. And yeah, it's a front tie up in the front. And back main there is also this cinch up detailing, which I think it's a cherry on top, because it's very easy for these kind of tops to look very boxy. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा नीचे से cinched up look चाहिए, I think that just makes the whole difference and just makes it more elevated and up. So yeah, absolutely love this. Definitely gonna keep this a 10 out of 10. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go.